to this Yoga Nidra practice. Lie down comfortably in Shavasana. Allow the legs to relax. Arms resting slightly away from the body. Palms gently facing upward. Close your eyes. Take a slow, deep breath in and slowly breathe out. Let the whole body soften. Feel the body resting on the floor. Nothing to do, nothing to achieve, just resting in awareness. Bring attention to your natural breath, breathing in and breathing out. Allow the breath to be slow and effortless. Now gently bring to mind a sankalpa, a short, positive intention, something meaningful for your life. Silently repeat it 3 times with awareness. With feeling. Now bring awareness to the body. Right hand thumb, second finger, third finger, fourth finger, little finger, palm of the hand, back of the hand, wrist, forearm, elbow, upper arm, shoulder, right side of the chest, waist, hip, thigh, knee, calf, ankle, heel, sole of the foot, big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, little toe, now move awareness to the left side of the body. left hand thumb, second finger, third finger, fourth finger, little finger, palm of the hand, back of the hand, wrist, forearm, elbow, upper arm, shoulder, right side of the chest, waist, hip, thigh, knee, calf, ankle, heel, sole of the foot, big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, little toe, now bring attention to the breath. Feel the gentle rise of the abdomen. As you breathe in, the abdomen rises. As you breathe out, it falls. Simply observe the natural rhythm. Imagine a calm, peaceful lake. The surface of the water is still, reflecting the sky above. The air is cool and gentle. You feel safe, relaxed, at ease. Allow the mind to rest in this peaceful space. Now return to your sankalpa. Repeat the intention again 3 times. With full awareness. Begin to deepen your breath. Feel the body resting on the floor. Become aware of the room around you. Gently move your fingers. Move your toes. Take a slow, deep breath in. ready, slowly open your eyes. Your Yoga Nidra practice is complete.